Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back again for another video. Today's video, we're talking lips. How to make your lips look bigger. I know there's millions of videos on... I'm sorry, that's my son. There's millions and millions of videos on how to make your lips look bigger, but I just wanted to show you guys my take on how to make your lips look bigger. It's just a simple way, simple tip, no, not like overboard and too much contouring and 3 different colors of lip liners and lipstick. Very simple way, and I hope you guys enjoy it. First step would be exfoliating. Exfoliating your lips is so important to get rid of the dead skin, to get rid of the crusty looking lips. It's so important to exfoliate your lips, but also you can exfoliate them every day. You have to think about it the way you think of your skin. You exfoliate your skin twice a week. The same for your lips. You have to exfoliate your lips no more than 2, maximum of 3 times a week. And for exfoliating, what I use is a homemade lip scrub. It's my favorite. It's amazing, and it's just 2 ingredients. Olive oil and sugar, and I have this little container that I got from Amazon. Gives you the best exfoliation for your lips. After exfoliating my lips, I like to use a chapstick, and my favorite chapstick is this one by AOS. I get them from Costco. There's so many different kinds in one pack. So yeah, I already exfoliated my lips about an hour ago, and I put my chapstick on. And now I'm ready to show you how I make my lips look bigger. So this is what we have to start with. Pretty tiny lips. I'm gonna make them bigger, but I'm gonna make them look naturally bigger. We're not gonna overline. We're gonna a little bit overline. So I'm gonna start with lip liner. One of my favorite lip liners is this one. I love this one so much, by Vintage. Vintage by Jessica Libeskind. I can never say the last name, but I got this one in BoxyCharm. This lip line is so creamy, and it's just so easy to apply on the lips. Also, I'm gonna give you other options for lip liners that I really like. I have this one by Maybelline. I have different colors. This one is one of my favorite. It's called the Maybelline Color Sensational. This color is called Pink Wink. This is amazing. Also, I love Huda Beauty lip liners. Huda Beauty lip liners are amazing. And also Rimmel for drugstore. These ones are amazing. Exaggerate. It's called the Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner. And yeah, these are just some options for lip liners. Today I'm gonna go with this one. Make sure you sharpen your lip liner. You don't want to have to deal with bulky and sharpened looking lip liner, and it's gonna make it not so easy to line your lips. So you do want to go with the line of your lips. Go just a little bit outside. You don't want to go completely outside of the actual lip line. You want to be like kind of in the middle, like between in and out. This way they don't look so overlined and not a very good look. Another thing is that you want your lip liner to be a little bit darker than the color you're gonna use for your lip gloss or your lipstick. So this color is a little bit darker of what I'm gonna use for my lip gloss and lipstick. So let's start the process. I like to start with my bottom lip and go the line. Okay, lower lip is done. As you see, I didn't go way too far from the lip line, but I still made them look a little wider. Next, the upper lip. I like to start with the Cupid's bow and go down. And now I'm gonna stop talking because there's no way I can do it while talking. Don't freak out if you make a mistake. You can always correct it with a concealer or even a foundation and a thin brush, and you'll make it look perfect. So don't freak out. Upper lip is done too. Now it's time for lipstick. As I told you, my lipstick color is gonna be a little bit lighter than my lip liner color. You don't wanna go way too light. If you like that look, go for it. It looks cute on some people. I don't like it. So I go only a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna go with this color by Bite. It's called Date. As you can see, it's just a little bit lighter. I really love this lipstick, and I also have other lipsticks from Bite that I really like. I got this one from Sephora. It's like a pack of 4 lipsticks from Bite, and they are all so pretty. This one was here. It was the color Date. And yeah, I really love it so much. So creamy, and it just lasts for so long on my lips. Next step, and it's the most important step for bigger looking lips, is the lip gloss. You wanna gloss your lips to the heavens. You want them to look wet, and you want them to shine. This way it gives the illusion of bigger looking lips. For today, I'm gonna use my favorite, my Fenty lip gloss. This one is just perfect. Everything about this lip gloss is so amazing. It feels amazing on the lips. It lasts for so long. It looks great, and I just love it. And this is the shade Fussy. Also, other options like drugstore options, I have Essence. I love Essence so much. They taste good, they feel good, they last long, and they are just great. I also have this one by Dominique Cosmetics. This one is not a drugstore, but this one is amazing too. I also love this one by Alamar. I got this one in my BoxyCharm. I don't remember which month, but this one is amazing too. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one, and you will see the huge difference. And that's it. That's the finished look. I hope that you noticed the difference. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you want to see me doing, comment down below, and I'll make sure I'll do it for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'm loving this look, and I'm ready to leave the house now. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video on Friday. Bye!